Namaskar, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to my channel. It's Rajasthan Tourism Series and top tourist place to visit in Jaipur. Number 1, Amber Palace. Amazing fort. Amber Fort is truly a gem. The stunning architecture and intricate details take your breath away. The views from the top are absolutely mesmerizing. The history behind the fort is fascinating. Light and sounds in the evening is a must see. Perfect blend of beauty and culture. Highly recommended visiting. Number 2, Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal, located in Jaipur, Rajasthan, is an iconic palace known for its unique architecture and historical significance. Built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, it is part of City Palace complex. The palace is made of red and pink sandstone and is famous for its 953 small windows or jarokhas, designed to allow royal ladies to observe street life without being seen, following the parda system. The structure resembles a honeycomb and offers a cool breeze through its many windows, which is why it's called the Palace of Wind, Hawa Mahal. It stands 5 stories tall and is blend of Rajput and Mughal architectural style. Number 3, the City Palace. The City Palace in Jaipur is a must visit for anyone interested in the history and heritage of Rajasthan. The palace complex is beautiful with grand architecture, intricate artwork, and stunning courtyards. We loved exploring the museums and royal collections, including the traditional costumes, weapons, and artifacts that give a glimpse into the royal lifestyle. The palace is well maintained and the staff is friendly. It can get crowded, so going early is ideal. A perfect spot for photography, and the Peacock Gate is spatially mesmerizing. Number 4, Jal Mahal. A very beautiful and gorgeous place to visit and to spend some time around. You can get whatever you want here. You can have great choice in food and in traditional shopping as well. You can also rent dresses for the pictures here at a very decent price. You can also enjoy horse riding or camel riding here. If you go in morning, then high chances that you can also enjoy the elephant riding as well. At all very amazing place. Number 5, Nahargarh Fort. Nahargarh Fort offers the absolute best views of Jaipur city. The panoramic view from the top is breathtaking, especially around the sunset. The fort itself is charming, with beautiful architecture and plenty of spots to relax and take its scenery. It's a must visit for anyone in Jaipur looking to experience both history and incredible views of the city. Highly recommended for the photographers and anyone who loves a great view. Number 6, Jantar Mantar, Jaipur. A truly amazing place to visit. The place gives you the history of how, in spite of being a ruler, local king was so interested in science. He has spent much of his wealth trying different experiments to build sundials of different types that give the exact details of the time using sunlight. The place is full of sundials of different types. If you are planning to visit the place, I would recommend the first head directly to the theater that explains the history and details about how each dial works. This will give you detail about how you can view and understand the multiple sundials that are built in this place. A wonderful experience without any doubt. Number 7, Sheesh Mahal. My visit to Sheesh Mahal in Jaipur was truly eye-opening. The intricate mirror work and the craftsmanship were impressive, and the guides provided insightful information about the history and significance of the palace. However, the crowds can be overwhelming, so I recommended planning your visit during off-peak hours to fully appreciate the beauty of this historical gem. Number 8, Jaigarh Fort. Standing atop the Arauli Hill, Jaigarh Fort in Jaipur captivated me with its ancient grandeur and panoramic views. As I wandered through its rushed wall and explored the armory, I was transported back in time, imagining the fort's days of valor and defense. The Jaivana cannon, a marvel of its time, added to the fort's allure. Sitting amidst history as the sun set, I felt privileged to witness Rajasthan's rich heritage unfold before me, making Jaigarh Fort a timeless treasure. Number 9, Birla Mandir Temple. The temple is one of the most beautiful temples in Jaipur city. The temple is dedicated to the deities Lakshmi and Narayan, the divine powers in Hindu religion. Environment of the temple is peaceful and serene and it's quite suitable for people to visit anytime safely. Architecture is magnificent and is made mostly of white marble, which shows traditional elements and tranquility. Temple is constructed on a particular height to provide visitors a great views from the temple. Sunset and sunrises from the temple looking stunning. Number 10, Elephantastic. Amazing sanctuary close to the heart of Jaipur. Elephant well taken care by caring staff. An unforgettable experience. We were picked up at our hotel and given dinner before feeding, painting and washing and walking with our elephants. 5 out of 5 stars. So guys, these were the top 10 tourist places to visit in Jaipur city, Rajasthan. I hope you like the video. If you like it, share, subscribe my channel. जय हिंद।